Hey, Flavor Fanatics, we have got the high rolling, steam going, jet flying.
Normally I could rhyme with you, but I am so full because we've done so many recipes today. And we're ending it with probably the most succulent
Richest,
thing.
most decadent thing you can imagine.
Oh, so career tip: start with the light stuff. You know, no, actually, go the other way.
Start with the heavy stuff, end with the light stuff.
Oh my goodness, we're so full, but we've
Still delicious.
Yeah, we're 10 recipes in. We didn't get this shape by being quitters.
This is the hard work and dedication.
That's right.
When people say, "What's up with that belly?" This is a resume. This is dedication.
Oh, I don't want to leave any of this in.
But for all you flavor fanatics out there, we do have our version, the FA version of a beef braciole. Okay.
What is a braciole for us Southern folks?
It's a classic Italian dish. It uses flank steak, which everybody knows flank steak. They usually use it for fajitas or carne asada.
Okay.
But it's also really great to brown and braise.
So this is something they would cook on Jersey Shore.
Yeah. I mean, this is a Goodfellas dish right here.
Right on.
This is Mama's. Now, we changed it up a little bit because we wanted to throw the gambler pack at you. So we got Moo'd Enhancer, we got Ante up, and we got Double Down. We kept some of the classic flavors, but we added some new ones. So what we did here is we just bought a really nice piece of certified Angus beef flank steak. We butterflied it out, okay? We seasoned it with Moo'd Enhancer, Double Down, Ante up. Got a really good coat of all three on what would be the outside layer, and then we put just Moo'd on the inside layer. The stuffing or the filling that we spread on here is pretty simple. It's breadcrumbs. I got garlic herb breadcrumbs. It's a stick of butter, not melted, but room temp softened. It's a log of goat cheese, tomato paste, garlic, and fresh basil pureed.
So that tomato paste is very beefy. It amplifies beef.
Right.
Tomato paste does, and especially when you get this stuff from the gambler pack mixed in, man, it's just really going to bring it.
Absolutely. So we mixed all that together, spread it out on the flank steak, rolled it up really nice like this, single road trussed it, browned it in our Ninja Crock Pot on the stovetop function, browned it. Once it was browned, then we added chiffonade sweet onion down each side and the baby bella mushrooms. Let them sweat just a little bit. Then we added our beef stock. Then right down the top here, and it's still here, you can see it, we put our chopped garlic and then we put our basil puree. And we put the lid on. And we let it go in the crock pot for about 3.5 hours. And this is the wonderful piece of meat we have here. And then we have this awesome pan gravy.
It smells great. Look at that.
I'll set that out there for you to see. All right. Get this plate here. Let's plate this up. The mushrooms are just fantastic in this broth, and those onions have caramelized to the point that they've almost made their own like little jam in here. Like,
if you put any more on there in the South, you need biscuits to sop that up.
But this,
that's a beauty, Clark.
That's just dynamite. Like, that's what we're looking for. Our filling stayed in there nice and tight. You can see it in the shot here. Now, a lot of people like to cut the parsley up. I've just been a big fan here of late of just the tear. I like the look of it.
If you're looking for rich beef, this has got it. And like I said, it's that stuffing you put in there adds all that richness. The mushrooms.
The goat cheese gives it a nice little, with the tomato, gives it a nice little pop in there against the richness of the beef. But
nice little piece of Italian bread, a little butter. Just kind of nudges along the plate.
Nice little glass of red wine. But this is a beautiful fall, winter
This is like one of those
Just nice
$25 at the Italian joint kind of plates, man.
As always, pick up all three products, Mood Enhancer, Ante Up, Double Down at barbecueproshop.com. Don't forget to follow us, Flavor Anonymous, at Flavor Anonymous Brands, at BBQ Pro Shop on social media. Like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Braciole out.